try a free sample of this hottest new cologne, a Washington Whiff.
I'm more of a au naturel kind of guy. But I guess it couldn't hurt.
It's mine. Oh, mine!
Oh, there's my bag. I wondered where I dropped it.
Claudette here. Oui, Pierre. I have him in my sights now. Do not worry. This American imbecile is no match for my superior tactics.
Photo op.
Congratulations!
What?
You are the billionth tourist to visit the Washington Monument this year. That makes you the lucky winner of this check for $1 billion. Just sign here for a lifetime of hamburgers, fries, and the less skinny jeans.
Okay, but what should I do with all my stuff?
Just set it down. Now sign here with my Exploder pen.
Gee, thanks. Exploder pen? Oh, I've never heard of that brand before. You would almost think it means the pen would...
Just sign it! My Exploder pen will make short work of that very nuisance. Excuse me, ma'am. Did you know that the Washington Monument is 555 feet tall? That's the equivalent of 687 number 2 pencils or 111 tetherball.
Here's your pen back.
These must have been malfunctioning.
There's my camera. Hey, where'd my bag go?